Welcome to Auto Paint Repair, a trusted partner with Tasca for quality auto body and paint services. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a scratched, chipped, or dented vehicle, you know how quickly it can diminish the appearance and the value of your car. That's where Auto Paint Repair comes in. Whether you've had a minor run-in with a shopping cart or more serious fender bender, many of these skilled technicians are here to make your car look new again. At Auto Paint Repair, they offer expert auto body and paint services designed to restore your vehicle to its original beauty. From color matching flawless paint jobs, they use the top of the line equipment and premium materials that you know from Tasca Automotive to ensure that you will be satisfied and get the best car care possible. When it comes to getting your car repaired, time is valuable, and they definitely work efficiently and as quickly as possible without compromising quality to get you back on the road. The people that work here are all real car enthusiasts, so you can be ensured that your car is in good hands. They cover paint repairs, collision repair, color matching, and of course, paintless dent removal and bumper repair. With their many numerous certifications and accolades, you can be sure that the team here is dedicated to delivering results that exceed your expectations. They take pride in every job, whether it's a small scratch or expensive damage. Plus, they offer competitive pricing, so you don't have to break the bank to get your car looking good again. The team at Auto Paint Repair is here to build lasting relationships with customers by offering transparency, quality, and a customer-first experience. Every vehicle that comes in is treated with the utmost care, and they work with the insurance companies to make sure the repair process is as smooth and painless as possible. So when your car needs a little TLC, you can be rest assured that it will be taken great care of over at Auto Paint Repair in Johnston, Rhode Island. So let them restore your vehicle's beauty, protect its value, and get you back on the road with confidence. Make sure to visit them at AutoPaintRI.com to learn more or schedule an appointment. They're definitely there to help with any of your auto body and paint needs.